welcome back, my friends and fans. We're gonna be playing Apocalypse Rising again. Hunter Killer here. Make sure you have a good time and enjoy the video, basically. Ooh, I wonder what's in here. Door wasn't opening there for a second. And there's nothing. I could have just went to the door. And we gotta eat. No, wait, we gotta do both. Starve and die of thirst. I drink this and then we gotta. No, not the Chips Ahoy. I can't eat the Chips Ahoy. It's too important. It wasn't important, but hey, it's freaking Chips Ahoy. Hey, tell me what your favorite cookie is, or type of cookie is, basically. Cause mine is Chips Ahoy, basically. Turn it off. Go through the door. Go through the door. Oh, here's a wheel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't really need that. Hoo, hoo, hoo. We're just walking through the forest, waiting to see what awaits us, basically. Oh, here we go. Give me a second. I gotta fix my microphone. There we go. It's working. Yeah, it's working. Woo. Alright. Now we got 4. Now, I found this last episode. This thing is really good. It won grand. When you reload it, it sounds perfect. It's like, ding. Ooh, do you see that off in the distance? You see that off in the distance? It's like, right there where my mouse is. If you see that, please tell me that you see that. Ooh, that's a good fortress. Ooh, there's sometimes good stuff up here. Is this a car? Oh my god, it is a car. The wheels are crap. Well, there aren't any wheels, actually. The car is just destroyed. It's like someone shot the wheels up and was like, oh, there we go, done. Let me see what this thing needs. Take this and basically it. How do I get out of this, please? And let me just go up this tower. There's sometimes stuff up here like guns and armor. And this was just a waste of time. Alright, let's just go down here. That car back there was completely destroyed. There was no way I was going to fix it. Why? Because the engine blew up. Both the tires were destroyed completely. And, this time probably had no fuel. Now, I wonder what's in this fortress. Because, dude, lots of people are dying out here. I wonder what's in this fortress. Because there could be anything. Lots of good stuff. Having a good day, please tell me. Because today, it was pretty good. That's all I have to say. Let's go up here and see what there is. Oh, where am I? Let me just run towards this. Woo! Running! Running! This thing looks cool. Hopefully there's good stuff in it. Hopefully I didn't just run out here for no reason. I'm running towards an open door. Literally. Let's see what's up here. Oh, you know what? I can't get up there. First zombie. Or second zombie. You can't ladders. The zombies. They say, oh, brains. Well, you know what I want? I freaking want to win. So I'm not gonna be saying hi to you. Another M1 Grand rifle. Oh. Good. And then we'll just run out of here. empty. Empty. Wait. Yeah, it is empty. Like, I could get a fortress, which would be cool, but it's not that good. If we go over here. Is there really a zombie still chasing me? Thank God. I thought there was one. Well, heading to this village. Hopefully there's something good. Well, today it is not going so action-packed so far, and we're not finding anything. Oh, I found like a revolver, a knife, and an M1 Grand last episode, and now we're not finding anything. Wheel, car parts, and a reinforced wheel. Looks like. No, just a regular wheel. And there needs to be a car around here somewhere. Because then I could fix it and then just drive it away. Because this would be a lot easier. Is that a dead person or a zombie? And that's a dead person. Ooh, I wonder what's on their body. Good loot. Come on, come on, come on. We got loot. What do you have on? Terribleness. That's all I had. Terribleness. He probably didn't even make it here. He was just like, oh, no. Just fell. I saw that fire axe, but... Ooh, watch, perfect. Now I can tell what the time of day is. Here, let me help. Time of day is right there, at the bottom left. Let's go. I was traveling with my gun out, but I really don't care if I die. Well, I do care if I die, I just really don't want to. See what's in this building. Is that good? Painkillers. It's good. But wait a second. No, it's just a hiking pack. I need to eat and drink again. Oh god, I really don't eat this. Oh, fine. Chips Ahoy. That was... Oh, I could have ate that. Alright, you know what? I'm just clearing space in my inventory. Now let's go on our adventure. To the weird place. And this is taking 2 years to do. Where is everyone? Never mind. The chat up there to the top left. 1:34 in the morning. 38. No, whatever. The time keeps changing. Oh, car parts. I wonder if there's a car around here. See, I'm finding all these car parts, but there is no car. Like, nothing in here. If I could find a decent gun, then I'd be happy. Or like something exciting would happen this episode so far. Like a battle. Because All I'm doing is just scavenging for loot. Ooh! You feel it. You don't have it. Oh, that one's full. That's good. As a regular car wheel. Ammo. And this was just a box. Alright, let me, go somewhere else. There's something over this hill. And they're completely buried in the ground. What? How is that possible? It's like the building is just buried in the floor. Like, come on, that's not fair. You can't bury a building in the ground. Maybe you can, but better have some good stuff in it. And it just has ammo. How disappointing. Ooh, what's this regular, like, weird blue block sticking out of the ground? I wonder what it is. Is it, nothing. See, as a history test. I'm in a place with houses. There's houses all around. You could be right next to me. I'm getting hungry and thirsty again. Nothing important here. More, magnum ammo. Nothing fascinating in the building so far. Like, it'd be perfect if I could get a good gun or I could find a car. That'd be perfect. Yeah, I haven't found nothing. These people are just spamming in chat. I don't know where I am. Alright? Oh, new friend? Hell yeah. Owner Master 300? I will accept your friend request. Alright. Check my YouTube channel out. Yes. Oh, nugget rifle. Here, let me sponsor my channel. Check my channel on YouTube. It's called Hunter Killer X. And it has a Fortnite picture. I'm making a YouTube video. Video. Oh, dang. Hope you guys have a good time. Bye.